Hello, it's come to my attention that a lot of people don't know what they need, the basics to buy a house. So I thought I'd jump on here, do this little video, and tell you what you need to buy your first house. So what you need to turn into the lender would be 2 months bank statements, 2 months pay stubs, and 2 years worth of taxes. The lending institution will then crunch numbers and figure out what you qualify for. It's that simple. Okay, there's all sorts of loan programs out there. There's a 1% down, a 3% down, a 3.5% down, a 5% down, a 20% down. There's all sorts of programs out there. There's first-time home buyers programs. There's VA for the veterans. So there's basically 3 kinds of loans: FHA, VA, and conventional. Conventional being the best loan out there. FHA being the second, and the third being a VA. Those are the 3 types of loans that are available to buy houses. So any other questions, by all means, please reach out. Let me know what you'd like to hear. Pearl Ahlquist-Ruby.